biker was fully aware of danger but noticed it a bit too late.
Oh, that's a bump.
It was at this moment that he knew. He...
Oh God, what's all that?
That's what that is. Jesus, dude. What? Yeah, my face. Yeah, there was all that dirt in the road. It did. He's good, thank you.
Willingness to help turned out to be very costly for this biker.
Oh! Man, I got that on camera! Let me help him out. I've got to look good enough. No, I'm joking. I'm a good person. You good? Oh my god! Bro, what? Yeah, I went to help him and my bike fell over. Stupid. Yeah. Oh no. No, look. Oh no.
One of the drivers decided not to wait and blocked the biker.
Wait, I'm going in there too. Mate, what are you doing? Oi! Oh.
The driver completely fails to notice the bike and pushes him from the lane straight into a traffic island.
Good.
The biker completely didn't expect that cops, after stopping him, will inform him that his bike had been stolen.
Yeah. So I did have a plate. It is registered.
Okay.
Someone took the plate off of it.
Someone took the plate off it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a driver's license on you?
I do. I have insurance, everything.
Have a driver's license?
Yeah, it's in my backpack.
Alright. Any weapons in the bag?
No, sir.
All set? Walk the wheel like that. Stop doing the wheelies.
Yeah,
Okay,
I know.
just drive a little reckless back,
Yeah, sorry,
alright?
sir.
Where you guys headed?
I'm going home.
Where do you live?
Milwaukee.
Yeah, so it does match the entry. You just gotta check. This is your bike?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from?
I bought it on so they held me here for 15 minutes waiting on Seattle to confirm whether it's stolen or not, and it came back fine, I guess, so whatever.
These bikers were patient and just decided to observe the strange behavior of the driver. Running across the street to a car stopped in the middle of the road. In the meantime, the biker passed them by, which led to a situation that we were about to see.
Hey! You gonna run me over?
Whoa!
Huh?
What?
Are you the one that almost ran me over?
He stopped.
Huh?
He can't just stop. You can't assault me. You just assaulted me. You're on camera. I have
That's
your
fine.
boyfriend's plate.
But you almost ran me over.
You can't assault me like this.
No,
can't
you
assault
almost
me.
ran over.
You can't touch me.
Did
Doesn't
you
matter.
almost run
I'm
me
gonna sue
over?
You guys. You can't touch me.
Did you almost run me over?
Doesn't matter.
Did you almost run me over?
Get off
Huh?
my bike. Get off my bike.
What's your
Did-
goddamn problem?
Dude,
You about hit my
sorry, I
wife.
didn't see you stop.
Camera,
I'm
you up.
sorry. Dude, I'm just a kid. I'm sorry. I wasn't
stop
looking.
and
I
said
just saw you
something.
stop. I was just going
What's your
around.
open your mask?
Open
What?
the mask.
Open the face shield.
Like,
Next
she can't
time-
touch me.
You know
I'm
what?
sorry, I almost
Next
ran you
time
over.
I
Her
touch
touching you is the
fucking
least of your goddamn worries. I'll kick you off his bike.
Dude,
Then what you
Watch
gonna
what
do?
you doing.
I'm
Then what are you
sorry.
gonna do?
I saw you stop. I just want to go around you. I didn't know
But
why
my
you were
wife
stopping.
was
You
walking
I didn't
across
see
the
her.
goddamn
Somebody
road.
crossing the goddamn road.
Sorry, sir.
What you gonna do when you hit my wife?
Then
I
what?
didn't hit her.
Because
You did.
I did not.
Bro,
stop. Because I moved.
need to go home. I'm just trying to get home. I'll get in there.
So you try to run over my wife to get
Because
home?
you're in that big of a hurry.
It wasn't personal at all, sir. I'm really sorry.
No, but you can run that goddamn mouth and tell me I'm assaulting you when you almost hit me.
Not touch me.
You almost ran me over. Put assault charges on me. Do it.
Sir, please.
Call them.
Sir, I'm not a liberal like you think. I'm a normal kid. I don't want to call. I'm not trying to call the cops.
Because you'll be charged.
I'm just trying to get home.
Driving reckless, trying to hit your wife.
I wasn't trying to hit your wife, sir.
You almost
You almost did. She had to jump.
I had to jump out the goddamn way. Because you in a goddamn hurry because he slowed down. What the is a kid walking in the damn road? You can react the way I reacted. Then what?
After we call the cops.
Please, sir.
Huh?
Please, sir. I'm not a bad kid. I'm just trying to get home.
Did you learn your lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
You gonna show your damn again?
Apologize to my wife when I walk away. Apologize.
Sorry, man.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.